Hey gang, welcome back to Joe Daddy's Garage. Today's video, well, I'm making a road trip. A very short road trip, but I have to go pick up parts for next year's car project, which is a 68 fastback. So I've ordered a bunch of parts from Dynacorn. They are now at the freight terminal and I have to go pick them up. So I have my trailer hooked up to my truck and I hope I can get everything on in one shot. Let's go find out. Well, I made it to the FedEx facility, as you see behind me. So we're gonna get the parts loaded up. And then I think I may have to go to another freight place because there's some more parts coming in from another shipper. So let's see what happens. Well, here's the first big batch of parts. I wasn't sure if I was going to be getting the floor pan yet. Apparently that's going to be at the other freight location. So I'm a little concerned. This is the roof panel here. And I don't like the way that's shaped, but I'm not going to open that up because I can't tell for sure. I won't know until I get it all the way out. But there's a lot of parts sitting there. Yeah. And there's another pallet coming, so hopefully we'll be able to tell if it's all good or not. Okay, here's what I'm dealing with right now. I don't know who did what or why. You can see it's got a strap there with a name on it. But there's the floor pan, and it's upside down. It's still in the shipping framework, but that's one quarter panel. And underneath is the other quarter panel. So what I'm going to have to do is we're taking the other pallet off the trailer right now, and we're going to cut this open, flip it over. I'll do an inspection of it, see if it's something I can accept or not. But man, this thing's been through a war. I don't get it. I don't get it. So let me get it opened up and see what I can maybe use. I don't know yet. Well, I think the floor pan is okay. I'm gonna have to take it home, set it aside, and end up, once I get on the jig, I'll know for sure, but at this point I can only say it looks okay. The quarter panels, believe it or not, didn't have any damage, but I can't believe that anybody shipped it like this, having that standing up on its side. That's how it was shipped, because that's a narrow pallet. So they had stood it up on end and then strapped everything to it, and I guess they hoped that magically it wouldn't come apart. So let's see if we can get this loaded up. May have to help out a little bit. Oh, let me help him. Oh, he got it. Okay. Well, we'll get this loaded on and then have to break down these other boxes and just pile them up on top. Really no other way to do it, but not what I expected today. And I ended up with probably a big gash on my right leg because the pallet hit me in the leg when we cut it apart. So, okay. Well, I've broken down the big box to discover that I have the passenger side body panel and all this other stuff inside of this box, which I'll have to take out because there's no way I can load that onto the truck like it is. So he's bringing me the other quarter panel pieces. I'm just going to get all this stuff stacked up and head back to the house. Oh boy. Okay, we got everything loaded up, took stuff out of the boxes, got the back of the truck full, got a bunch of stuff inside the truck, and I want to give a shout out to Marquise, for helping me out because you know, all the stuff was in these boxes and he was more than helpful in getting me moving on the stuff. So thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Take it.
Man, that was too much like work. I do want to thank Marquise for helping me out with all this stuff. You know, he helped me flip over the floor pan, get everything uncrated, went through the packaging that was, you know, obviously damaged and stuff like that. So definitely very helpful, and I appreciate him for that. I'm going to head to another facility. I think they may have the other side, and if I can get everything loaded on the trailer today, I'll be better off. So let's go there and hope that nothing is damaged. Okay, I made it to Forward Air, and I can't load this whole pallet straight onto the trailer. Thankfully, they're gonna let me break it down here and take it away. So there we are. I know this is the other side of the car, which is fine, but there's also probably a bunch of other parts inside that box. I know Dynacorn likes to load these things up, so I'll open it up and see what's inside. So as suspected, here is the driver's side of the car, various other boxes and pieces and parts. So I need to get all that onto the trailer and head home. All right, everything is loaded. The biggest problem I had with any of this was the fact that they wanted me to take away the cardboard. They let me leave the pallet behind, but I had to break down the cardboard, so it's all stuffed underneath the floor pan. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with having all these parts on hand right now, and obviously there will be a future video of this build, but you can see what all I have, and you already know what the plans are, so stay tuned. Okay, made it back safe and sound. I think I have good parts overall. I couldn't find anything too outstanding. I know that the roof is damaged, and I'll have to go through and make sure I have all of the pieces that I ordered. So this video will be you know, for the future project. So that car won't be built till next year, but I want to thank you all for watching, and hopefully you're still hanging around for that project when it comes around. But thanks for watching. Yeah. Okay, made it back safe and sound. I will have to go through all these boxes and make sure all the parts are that I ordered, but overall I'm pretty happy. I know that the roof is damaged, and that'll be an issue. Probably have to get another roof sent to me or whatever, but I'm pretty excited about having all these parts at least here. Now I'll go through these boxes, and I want to point out this car won't be built until next year. You know, I've got to finish up the Cobra Jet project, so stay tuned by all means. And that'll be it for this video, but once again, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourselves. See ya.